Good morning and welcome to my channel. As you can see, I have some fresh rolls that I just baked 15 minutes ago. Some of them are plain, some of them have sesame seeds, and some of them have poppy seeds. So you can customize to your liking. And those need only 5 ingredients. I guarantee it. Once you get hooked and start making those, you won't be buying any rolls from a store. When you buy it from a store though, look at the label in the back and you will notice that there is at least 10 to 15 ingredients, and some of those not so healthy for you. Making your own has so much benefits. Healthier, fresh, crunchy, and you can make it the way you like it. Even if it comes to the size of them, you can make it the way you like it. And when they come out, you have fresh, delicious, crunchy rolls, then you won't be able to resist. My husband actually asked me yesterday, can you make those rolls for me so I can take sandwiches to work with me? So welcome, and let's get rolling with those rolls. Thank you for watching. For my delicious, fresh, crispy dinner rolls or breakfast rolls, whatever time of the day I want to have a sandwich, I need about 4 cups of flour, an egg. Egg needs to be room temperature, warm water diluted with 1 teaspoon of sugar. The sugar helps dry yeast get active. 3 tablespoons of soft butter and 2 teaspoons of salt. So 4 cups of flour, it is about 500 grams. And when the flour is fluffy, then it is 4 cups. But if you start shaking the cup, it will get condensed, and then look, it's not 4 cups anymore. So be careful how you handle the flour. I like to use scale and measure my ingredients, drying ingredients, to be sure that I have the right amount. Honey, I'm making those rolls for you. I need a new dress this weekend. I think I'm gonna get it. I've got my flour, butter, egg, salt, and my yeast is ready. You can see how foamy it is. So I'll just put it all together and mix it up. You need 1 teaspoon of sugar in that water for the yeast to start working and get active. And again, this is only few ingredients: water and butter, salt, just a tiny bit of sugar, an egg, and that's it. And you have fresh rolls made at home. It doesn't take that much work. Once you get started with making your own breads, rolls, you get addicted to it. And I smell the fresh crispiness from the oven. I cannot resist it, and I have to have it. I have to dig in. Once I mixed it well with the spoon, now I can finish mixing it with my hand, and it takes about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I will cover and leave it for 40-45 minutes so it doubles in size. And the dough doubled in size, which is wonderful. That's exactly what I needed. So I will take it out. It doesn't even stick to the bowl that much. Gently fold it a few times again, and I'll start cutting it. And I have my scale because I like to have kind of even pieces for everyone. For me, about 75 grams. Just gently roll the dough under to create this round shape. And it's exactly 75. Once I'm done with all of them, I will cover and leave it out for another half an hour. So just to roll it under to have just a smooth shape. Here we covered for another half an hour before I can bake it. Here we go. What I have here is tiny bit of milk with butter. I will spread on top of rolls. That way they will be more crispy. So the butter will help the sesame seeds and poppy seeds stick. And be gentle with the rolls. You have to remember this is yeast dough. So here we go. Some of them will have the sesame and some of them will have the poppy seeds. Those were actually the rolls that I had a lot when I was a kid. Bakery next door, big line, always a big line at that bakery. It was the best bakery ever. Before we got home from school, half of the breaded rolls were gone. So next day, Mama had to send us again. So here we go. And those rolls need to be in the oven at 425 degrees for about 15 minutes. And best way to check is see if they have this brownish color on top. Yeah, my hair is funny today. My husband is teasing me about it. Timer is up. And here are my rolls. Bon appetit. Smacznego. My husband laughs that I look like a samurai. Samurai does magic.